Okay, it's problem number 23. This is the first of two videos on this subject on how to find the vertex of the graph or the quadratic function. Um, in this case, the function is f of x equals to x squared plus 6x plus 10. In this video, we will solve it by graphing. Very easy, straightforward process, should be very short. So, first thing we do is let's graph this function. So let's go up to TI Inspire. Okay, let's start with a graph here. Again, I got the graph by going on and going to graph. Do that. And then let's go ahead and graph that function. I believe it was x squared plus 6x plus 10. All right, and we graph that. There it is. I'm going to move this out the way for clarity. And in this case, the vertex is the minimum point on the parabola or the quadratic function. This graph is called a parabola. So let's find that minimum point. Menu, 6. And you can't see it for my recording arm. Let me get rid of this recording thing, move that over. Okay, let me go backspace a little bit. So again, menu, 6 and 2. Menu 6, 2 will give me the minimum. So I have to tell the calculator where to look. The minimum value of this function is between here and here. So make sure you capture, you actually cover the minimum minimum point on the curve. And as you can see, the answer is -3, 1. Okay, and that's pretty much all there is to it. In this particular function, the vertex was the minimum, was a minimum point. If there had been another type function, like maybe if x was negative, or maybe there was a -1 in front of x, then you would have a different situation entirely. Okay, but that's not what we have here. That's what we have there. So our minimum point is -3, 1. Let's go back, and so that tells us what the answer is. That tells us that our correct choice for this equation was H.